This week, the shop is hard at work manufacturing the OneTIME Tool setup blocks. So kick back, relax, and watch our team make some precision woodworking tools. On this first CNC milling machine, the 1/8" blocks are milled out of aluminum. Next, over at another CNC mill, the 1x2 by 4" blocks are milled. After those blocks are milled, the machine operator cleans off the parts and checks them for accuracy. After some cleaning up, all of the blocks are anodized and laser engraved so you know which one you're picking up. Manufacturing will continue on the OneTIME Tool setup blocks, and shipping will start soon. So look for your order in the coming weeks, and stay tuned for more OneTIME Tool production updates.